Hello everybody, today we're going to set up our first project on MoonMap combined with Blackout. First you go to the patch of your project on Blackout and you export your fixtures, your patch to your other iPad or iPhone running MoonMap. I'm going to make a new project on MoonMap. Okie dokie. We're gonna add our fixtures in MoonMap. Press add, import, and then select Blackout CSV. Now I already imported this earlier on, so I'm just gonna select my 3 fixtures. Press import selected. In my case, it didn't find the profile, so we'll have to link it. I'm pressing find profile and selecting the right one for all 3 fixtures. Press done. And now I'm gonna add them. You just saw a little flicker. This is because my fixtures by default are on universe 1, as is my Blackout, and you don't want both on the same universe. So in Blackout you go to link, press DMX input, put this on. By default your input universe is 101. Let's leave it there. Next I'm just gonna realign and stack my lights and maybe scale them to fit my video feed nicely. Okie dokie, that's done. While still selecting them, I'm gonna press edit, and you can tell it's on universe 1 by default. We're gonna match our input universe from Blackout by putting that to 101. Done. Lovely. This is now working. One last thing you can do is you go to your patch on Blackout, add fixture, and you can search for MoonMap and patch it as if it were a fixture. I'm going to put this on address 470 in my case. Lovely. And you can see it's now patched. If I go to MoonMap, I press network and I put my input address on the same address as my MoonMap fixture in Blackout. In my case 470. My input universe is 1, which is perfect because that's the same universe I'm using on Blackout for my fixtures. Lovely. Something that can go wrong if this doesn't work is your streaming ACN isn't on. If everything is green as is on my screen, this means everything is working as intended. Okay. Nothing's happening. Why is this? It's because on Blackout my MoonMap is at intensity 0. So I'm going to bring it up. There we go. And this is now working lovely indeed. I can put my saturation a little bit higher. I can change my color temperatures. Maybe put them a little bit lower over here so you can see the greens a bit more. Saturation. In Blackout, your percentages only go up to 100. But if you need a little bit more, you can change it in MoonMap again. Anyway, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. And see you in the next